Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my snacks. So since it's snack time, so we'll do a snack mukbang. Snack mukbang with like chocolates and something sweet and some yogurt, and I have like my CHOCOLATTE merienda. Also, I have also like peanut butter. We have this peanut butter for today, so I'm gonna eat also peanut butter, and I like also peanut butter. And I have this banana bread which I made yesterday, and I have some chocolates also. Like, we will see if what chocolate is this inside, because a lot of chocolates here has, you know, like liquor inside or rum, something like that. And but the chocolates I like the most is the dark chocolate. I really love dark chocolate. So whatever chocolate is it, I prefer the dark one, the dark chocolate. So now, as you can see, I'll show you also. I have also this one, the LINDT. It's also nice, this one, and it's ano siya, pasok siya sa panlasa ko. So I have also this one, so good. I have here also the buns from KINDER. I have this, like, I have 4 of this one. So I will try my best to eat what I have here, but I know that I cannot eat all because I just eat unti lang kung yung kakainin ko. So meron din akong M&Ms chocolate, nakalalabas lang nila. Also, I have this one, the blue one. Before, I have tried also the M&Ms, the color yellow, and the brown one. They have also, they just launched now. So the flavors that they have, actually every color has inside. So for example, the green one has hazelnut, as you can see, hazelnut inside. And then the blue one naman, the blue one has it's like a crispy, it's like rice but crispy inside. And then the dark one naman is normal lang siya na chocolate, normal na chocolate lang, wala siyang ano lang yung sa M&Ms, yung circle na ganyan sa M&Ms. Dark one yun, wala. Tapos yung yellow naman has a normal nuts lang siya. So yun yung apat na ano ko na natikman ko. So as far sa lahat ng natikman ko, yung gusto ko, yung green, ito siya. Kaya nga malapit na siyang maubos. Yung green kasi may hazelnut siya, and mas depende rin man yun sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. Ako, gusto ko kasi yung hazelnut. Pero sa chocolate naman kasi hindi ako masyadong kumakain lang, dark chocolate. Gusto ko yung dark chocolate. So this is our setup for my merienda. Mostly this sweets talaga. All of these are the ones that I like, because there are some also that I don't like, and since hindi rin ako kumakain ng sweets talaga, madalang lang akong kumain. So I make sure na if ever na meron akong something pang snacks, gusto ko yung talagang gusto ko. I'm gonna start with my chocolate drink. So it's So like this first, and then okay. Favorite ko to. Actually, pangbata kasi. Pangbata kasi siya. Kaso, gusto ko siya, kaya binibili ko siya. Mostly kasi ganito, chocolate drink is choco milk latte. For ano siya, for young ones. Since me, physically I'm young, as you can see, I'm small. So, I like that one. So, I always buy that every time nag-crave ako. So, now naman is, I'll try this one. But first, I like also the peanut butter. So, the banana bread. So, bakit kaya pag kumakain tayo, tapos gusto natin, yung kinakain natin, napapasayaw tayo? Ganun, di ba? Is weird, but I want to put on top of my banana bread. So this, as you can see, this banana bread I made yesterday. Kasi gusto ko lang, parang gusto ko lang siya. Nagbe-bake, yung gano'n, nagbe-bake, gumagawa ng ganito. It's good. And since ang kalalabasan naman ay hindi naman siya bad. Ano pa ngayon? Masarap pa nga siya. Tsaka yung ingredients niya are easy lang. Tapos very easy to do. Then yun. I also love peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but I tried my best not to eat all the time kasi nga parang lumalabas yung magkaka-breakouts tayo eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung totoo, pero based of my observation, for me, nagkaka-breakouts ako pag kumakain ako ng peanut butter. Hindi ko alam. So, I tried my best, but pag nandyan siya, talagang kinakain talaga. So, ito. I finished this. And now, let's eat some. So, my favorite, so far, my favorite yogurt is Activia. And this one has, itong binili ko, has peach inside. So, gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya hindi siya mostly yogurt kasi yogurt mostly yogurt talaga. Ano siya, peanut butter. Ano siya, parang yung yogurt talaga is normally siya maasim. Sa atin kasi, parang nababutter tayo pag maasim. Parang ayaw mo. Pero what I found, itong Activia, hindi siya maasim. That's why gusto ko siya. Sa ngayon, palagi ko na siyang binibili. Kasi, teka lang ka, aanohin ko rin yung nasa taas. Hindi siya maasim for me, so pasok siya sa panlasa ko. Pasok siya sa panlasa ko. Pero not sponsored. Dili siya sponsored ah. I can always eat this type of yogurt every time. Hindi ako nababother sa sa taste niya kasi hindi siya maasim. Parang nababother ako sa pag maasim. Parang ayokong kainin niya. So for today, I'm good for my snack. I'm super duper good. There are days din naman na wala tayong pang snack. Ano ba? So, ngayon na may pang snack ako, ginagrab ko yung opportunity. Grab talaga. I grabbed the opportunity to make video. Kasi may ako, madami yung snacks ko ngayon. So, pang na to, isang linggo. Isang linggo talaga. So, by the way, na-try ko na rin, I tried already the M&Ms chocolate now that they launch. Lang siya. For me, too sweet. Talaga. Hindi naman siguro siya sweet. Lang siya, depende lang din yun sa taste mo. But there are chocolates talaga na hindi siya masyadong sweet talaga. So, I prefer na not too sweet kasi hindi ko alam. Feel ko lang. Tapos kaya nga mas prefer ko yung dark chocolate eh. But one thing na pasok sa taste ko is this one, the LINDT. Favorite ko rin siya. Itong LINDT na ito, heart shape siya. You know why I prefer the smaller ones? Kasi I have also like this, the KINDER. I prefer the smaller ones kasi unti-unti lang yung kinakain ko. I just eat small things. Unti-unti lang yung nakakain ko. So, yun lang. But, yung yogurt, I so love. So far, my favorite is Activia. There are also a lot of types of yogurt dito sa Italy. Like for example, Mueller, siya, mas maasim siya. Kaya hindi ako bumibili. Lang, sometimes lang. Now, I found Activia. Mas binili ko siya. Tapos siya, 0% of grass. It says grass. So, yun. Since na tayo, tumatanda na tayo, no? Hindi pa naman ako matanda. Pero, as you get older, parang nagiging health conscious kasi tayo. Diba? So, itong snack ko to, hindi ko to mauubos, but I try my best to eat. Talaga. Try natin. Hindi ko siya maubos talaga, sure, but let's try our best. At saka, I have a small chocolate also here. As you can see, this is also chocolate. This one, the hard one. And this one is like a barrel. There are lots of chocolates here. Mostly also mga siya, are artisanal or artisans. Meaning, yung shops ng chocolate, sila talaga yung gumawa. That's it. So, ubos ko na yun. So yogurt is perfect, is good, and I like. So ito naman yung buns. I like also the buns. Gusto ko siya. Ano. And also this one, the Kinder. I have also Kinder. Pero feeling ko napaka-sweets niya. Napaka ano niya, napaka-tamis. Napaka-sweets. Napaka-sweet niya. Ay, sweet ba siya? So now, parang okay na ako. So let's try now I wanna try this chocolate. This chocolate. This one talaga, ano siya? Dark chocolate pala siya. These here are dark chocolate. So I'll try this one. But you know, there are a lot of chocolates here in Italy that inside has liquor, or there's rum, but in Italian it's rum. So let's try this one, and I just hope that it's not rum. Wow. It's white inside. But the taste, may konti siyang ano, parang liquor. Hindi ko alam kung ano 'yon. So, okay na ako sa snacks ko. Is good. Okay siya. So, ngayon, ano, ito, heart shape. As you can see, this one was a Valentine's gift, pero until now, nandyan pa rin siya kasi hindi nga ako palakain ng ano, hindi kasi ako palakain ng chocolates. Yun. Kahit na napakaraming chocolates pa ang ilapag nyo dyan, hindi talaga ako kumakain. Ano lang, nag-hope lang ako na kumakain ako ng chocolate. Kakain ako ng chocolate, pero talagang kahit na nakikita ko, pero hindi talaga ako kumakain ng chocolate. Unti lang. Mostly sweets talaga, hindi ako nag-crave. Pero sometimes kasi parang nag-crave ka rin. So kumakain lang ako pag nag-crave ako ng chocolates. Pero pag hindi ako nag-crave, so hindi ako kumakain ng chocolate. Ano lang, mga yogurt and choco milk. Ano lang. So yun lang. So sarap. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like, comment down below for more video suggestions, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.